It was in the dark, and it was glowing. We were camping in the Wicklow Mountains, one of Hibernia's remaining primordial forests. Once roamed by mighty beasts, their bones we find in the bogs full of black tar. The moon was full. I strayed from the campfire, hoping to see the glowing eyes of a woodland creature, a fox, or maybe a badger. But I met none that day. I found something else. Maybe you saw the leaked footage. Authorities deny it exists, claim it was a student project. We believe those specimens were their stray pets, perhaps not the dominant species. The skull's too small to host brains capable of creating technology advanced enough to be indistinguishable from magic. Defying explanation. But after many months, we succeeded in reverse engineering at least something. Bits and pieces slowly coming together, and after great success of the first approximation, we took a few more steps so we can make more copies for you faster. Better, thinner, cooler, sharper. Reliable engine with close to zero emissions and microphones sensitive enough to collect noises from another box that is powered off. This is not your usual Friday project. The master DIY kit may take weeks to complete, and only a handful of people have succeeded so far. Putting your own effort into making surely creates a better connection between you and the instrument. The open source nature hopes to educate and inspire, offering you a solid platform for starting your own experiments. A powerful digital signal processor with all the necessary interfaces and endless possibilities. Come with us and explore this rabbit hole of sound. Let's find out how deep it goes and if it ever ends. We do not know from how far they traveled, how their homeworld looks like, and if they still have one, what journeys they plan to take next. Perhaps they are completely oblivious to our existence, but we think we might have something in common. They didn't annihilate us immediately. The Fermi paradox is shaken to its foundations, but they share a passion for music, chords, tones, or merely molecular vibrations, whatever mixture of gases they breathe. Are you with me?